Hello everyone, this is Bethum Doreen. I'm from Kampala, Uganda. I'm so privileged to be in this platform. My inspiration came from the Divet Craft tutorial on the best-selling satellite Fascinator, where she made this black satellite Fascinator. She made also the same using the Ankara fabric on top. How I made mine is, here in Kampala it's hard to get these tools. So to cover the wire, I use the lining. The bias is not there. I'm still looking for it. Then the feathers, I got it from the chicken. My chicken, I cut it. The feathers were white, and I decided to dip this into black food color. Since I'm a baker, I got this from black food color 3 times to get this black color. Then the bishop hat is not there. What I did was I got my old bra to make this. The old bra is white. I get the lining to cover the bishop cap, and this is what I got is from my bra. Then to get the flowers, I used the bridal satin. I cut 5 by 5. I burnt the edges with a candle, packed them together, and this is what I got. Then the beading in the middle, I got this bead from my old blouse. 3 beads, I put it here, and this is how I came to this hat. This is what I made. I wanted this kind of shaping. I saw it was round for her, for her black satellite, so I wanted mine to be curved a little bit, and this is what I got. And my first attempt was this. I did this. I sent to the Divet's private line, and she gave me a thumb up. This, and I was motivated to do this. So I also believe in the book of Philippians chapter 4 verse 13, which says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And I believe indeed I can do it if I give it a try. And this is what I got. In spite of not having the materials, I already have 3 orders for this. And this, I have 1 order, and I'm so grateful to the Divet Craft. I got to know Divet Craft because I do most of my learning on YouTube. I look at people's tutorials and get an example from that and give it a try. Even the baking, I got it from some Nigerian, Oluchi. She's based in UK, so I follow her a lot and I learned some skills on YouTube. I'm not in any class, but I only follow on tutorials in the Divet Craft, where she says keep watching and learning, and I master every step of it. And please, teacher, feel free to use my pictures. It's okay with me, no worries. Please go ahead. And thank you so much. I'm so much humbled for the comments. I'm really inspired, and I believe I'm going to improve better and better. Bye bye. Take care.
If you were inspired by this, please do give Doreen a thumbs up. I was, so I'm going to give this video a thumbs up. And then if you want to see more reviews and learn from other millionaires, do click the subscribe button and also the bell so you get notified when I upload new reviews. Then also check out this video on how to make your own Ankara hat wire design.